Well, it is all over at the new Peter Makaba Stadium. Limpopo, Amakhosi abafana bokuthula noXolo 2. Al Masir. Is it Masir or Masir? How do you call it?
Masir.
Masir.
No, myself.
Abantu abadliwe vele abapronounce Inkosi 2 amakhosi abafana nokuthula noXolo bathi bona they know the Cubs that they want to win. They are serious. Serious. I know my. This is through pass 1-2 isikhaleni nakanjani lapha masiboniso sizo wakamnikazi isibongo and I'm not by myself. Mphethe coach Mphela.
Ngishaya ismile kuphela mfowethu, ngishaya ismile kuphela. Jabulile mfowethu, ngijabulile. Makhosi ajabulile mfowethu, kuhamba kahle ndoda, kuhamba kahle.
Kuhamba kahle.
The clean sheet kumhambela kahle.
Kuhamba kahle indeed, but it wasn't a clean sheet nje.
Yeah, it wasn't a clean sheet phela kodwa ke at least kuhamba kahle. Cha wena uhlala ungibelesele ukuthi Mr clean sheet lo yana. Ngitshela ngithi hayi.
So you're being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the most important thing today is that Amakhosi managed to get all 3 points and all to be decided on the last game as to whether Amakhosi they advance to the next round of the CAF Confederation or not. But how did you make of today's game?
Yeah, before I go to the game, it's very good for Kaizer Chiefs to find this form. And Kaizer Chiefs, because it's secret in Champions League or CAF competitions, make sure you win your home games. Kaizer Chiefs didn't start well. Games first 2-3 games they didn't start well, but now as the games progresses, they manage to get the results at all cost. And then even the game today, it was not easy. It was really not easy. They got a challenge, but they grinded the result. Even when the Almizares equalized, they managed to come back because we could see mentality and resilience and wanting to fight, that fighting spirit. So which was very good to witness. So I'm very happy. And then it's still close now. At least now the Kaizer Chiefs is also on the conversation that when they win or they draw their last games, depending what's going to happen, because even today we got shocked because the Zamalek that has been on top, he has been beaten by Zes, but that has never won any game. So yeah, football will kill you.
But the thing is, Amakhosi should just win. I'm not interested in playing a draw and say it doesn't matter. You can win away. They've done that before.
Yeah, they've done it before, but now the opposition they are going to play against.
You just mentioned the opposition that got defeated by a team that had 0 point or whatever points that they have.
But they'll be playing for something. They'll be playing for something because they know that if they don't, it means they won't qualify. So now they will make sure that they want to get the results.
So the first half we saw a beautiful penalty there by Da Silva, the man of the moment, the sniper. That man knows what is going on in South Africa. How? Nakuk.
Ingwenya momqhathanisa nabo Dupreez. Ingwenya, when you are comparing him with his peers, Ingwenya compare with his peers because
how many goals does Da Silva have?
When you look at Abo Mayo, when you look at Abo Dupreez, when you look at Abo Mtu, so that's where.
Oh, Da Silva namakula mangapi?
Angazi.
So already I'm criticized.
I'm criticizing him.
Ingwenya throughout. The man knows the polls. He knows how to score. Your favorite player compared to your favorite player, man.
Now you're saying is
the penalties only. It does have goals.
Yes, it does have goals, but it's not the top striker. You are exaggerating. But other than that, Kaizer Chiefs, the approach game with the usual 4-2-3-1. When I look at the lineup, was so confident. I could say that okay, Kaizer Chiefs here is just going wanting to attack with the wings, and then they also make sure they don't break in the midfield because they had Mapu and Olokozana and Ndlovu. Again, phambili kukhona volleyball Bonota Silva noLokozana Nomdu. The only thing that I was not happy about when the game progresses, because I could see that Kaizer Chiefs is reverting to 3-4-3. I was not happy about this side where Umoto was playing, because Umoto was not pressing, because he's not good when it comes to defensive qualities, of which Almizar was using, exploiting those spaces, making sure that they get a turnover and then they do crosses. And then we all know that when we play the North Africans, it's always crosses. It's crosses, set pieces, diagonal balls to the box, of which I think Kaizer Chiefs dealt with them in most of the times they dealt with them. And then what also interested me is that Kaizer Chiefs, they also used set pieces today to win the game. So that's how you play CAF Champions League. That's why CAF football is not the same as PSL football. So when the other side, Zamalek was approaching game Moranga Lokozani for 4-2. So when Almizar, yeah, so they wanted to win. You could see that they wanted to win. Even when they were playing, they wanted to win because the game was open. The game was just an end-to-end stuff. So the game was too open for my liking, because the Kaizer Chiefs, who couldn't say they are playing home. Yes, they dominated in certain moments, but in Lokozani, Almizar, now they were dominating, especially with their crosses. But other than that, Kaizer Chiefs, they did a very nice interplay. Babonana, but squad, the team, each Kaizer Chiefs, Fetihlangene. Squad they used to playing together. 11 yakona, it's more consistent, so they understand each other, they understand the strength and weaknesses, who to get into which spaces. So, and then my only cry is that Dushabalala, you can't get 5, 6, 7 one-on-ones in order. I'll convey team vetu. Like South African vetu, we're lacking. Now I'm counting myself as a coach that now I'm not doing enough to assist the players so that they can learn the technique of chipping the keep. You can't just chip the keep all the time. You're facing one-on-one. Chip the keeper. Value call keep your msigaza ashone pants, and then you chip the keep. So So I think the score should have been the margin. I should have been more than what we saw. So very nice interplay, well-deserving penalty. And then they came second half, first 10 minutes, Kaizer Chiefs came with the mentality of just protecting, because I even said when it was first half, I said, okay, Kaizer Chiefs has scored 1 goal, okay, it's done, because we know Kaizer Chiefs won't concede, and then they will just manage the game. And then when they came, they started to go deep.
And the reason they don't concede is because there's Mr. Clean Sheet.
Maybe also the defense collectively, they assisting each other. And then Almizar, they started to make more crosses, especially now on the side of Solomon, because they could see that Solomon is the one that is always attacking, and then they exposed the space behind, and then they tried to look until they forced it to get that goal. Then immediately within 10 minutes after that, Kaizer Chiefs, because Iman said and the crowd, because the Kaizer Chiefs fans, they just sang, and then they also gave Lokozan Chiefs stability. And then also my changes ga coach, I think they're very effective today, Lokozan of Kaizer Chiefs. And then Kaizer Chiefs, they just made the set piece, because they were adventurous. They made the set piece and they scored, and then we could see that now they're managing the game, because Lokozan was wanting to attack more, and then Chiefs ended up playing on a break. Well,
Ima, before we go to those breaks, Al-Mazir get a goal, they get an equalizer, and on one minds is Kaizer Chiefs now is going to ensure and just play safe, but Kaizer Chiefs come and they show intention, they want to get a goal, and because they want 3 points in this game.
They knew that they need to get points at all costs, because one, they're playing at home, so two, that draw won't assist them, because they didn't win
chances of
games.
qualifying.
Yes, but now the pressure now there is pressure, now they're in the mix of the competition, so now they stamped their authority that in the last game it should be the one where the all things will be decided.
Going to that last game, do you see Kaizer Chiefs winning or Kaizer Chiefs going through the quarterfinals?
I don't see them winning but I see them getting a point there. And then I think they will be number 2. They will be best number 2. And then that's what I'm hoping. I think they will go and play the draw because it's not easy to go there because those guys, they bully everyone. Those guys, they bully the ref. Even on halftime, they were bullying the ref. The Arabs. So I doubt that in those difficult conditions you'll be able to. Yeah, no man, it's very difficult.
Well, that's just about it. Samakhosi Bafana Bukuthula noXolo managed to get all 3 points at home in a CAF Confederation Cup. Hey, dlali CAF ayidlalwa nombani CAF. Hey, dlali CAF.
Isagcwala idlalo lamtutu.
Wow. This is True Pass. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share, and tell others ukuthi we are here. Okwamanje, from mina mfana kamninga sukhapela uGcotshwa maqoqo kobe lehlangene boom. Out of here.
Makhosi ajabulile mfowethu.